In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cube and extrude a face in Blender. We'll move step by step and keep things clear so you can follow along easily. First, let's add a starting object. With your scene open, press Shift+A to bring up the Add menu. Move to Mesh, then choose Cube. This gives us a simple, clean shape to work with, and it's perfect for practicing basic modeling. Now make sure the cube is selected. You'll see an outline around it when it is. Press Tab to enter Edit Mode. Edit Mode lets you work on the cube's actual geometry, its vertices, edges, and faces, rather than moving it around as a whole object. You'll notice the look of the cube changes slightly to show its editable components. Next, switch to Face Select. Press the 3 key on the number row, not the numpad. This tells Blender that you want to select and modify faces, which are the flat surfaces of the cube. You should see the selection highlight style change to reflect that you're now targeting faces. Choose any face you want to work on by left-clicking it. If you have trouble seeing the face you want, orbit the view with your middle mouse button to get a better angle. When a face is selected, it will highlight so you know it's active. Now for the fun part, extruding, press E to start an extrusion. As soon as you press E, move your mouse and you'll see the selected face pull outward or push inward, creating new geometry connected to the original face. This is one of the most fundamental modeling actions in Blender because it lets you extend shapes and add detail quickly. If the movement feels too sensitive, zoom in a little to get finer control. Once you're happy with the amount of extrusion, left-click to confirm it. If you don't click, the extrusion isn't finalized. So take a moment to set the distance exactly where you want it before confirming. If you want to extrude in a perfectly straight line, you can constrain the movement to a specific axis. After pressing E, press X, Y, or Z to lock the extrusion along that axis. This is especially useful when you're aiming for clean, controlled forms. Move your mouse to set the distance along that axis, then left-click to confirm. And that's the process. You added a cube, entered edit mode, switched to face select, chose a face, extruded it, confirmed the change, and optionally locked the extrusion to an axis. Practice these steps a few times and you'll be well on your way to confident modeling.